All right, let's go back here to this area. I'm going to go ahead and go to Spec Lights. And here, if I'm on channel 1, it's already going to know it's an Einstein. I'm not going to say anything to it. I'm going to go over to light 3 because I know it's an alien bee. And a lot of times it'll come up here on none, like that, and when you first come here. So I'm going to push it on up with the right joystick, push on that, and then it's going to say which type of alien bee. Well, I have a 400, so I'll say OK. Come on. And the wattage output is 150 on this one, so I'm going to select that. And now this light on number 3, you'll see it. If you don't see the blue candle and all the other interesting information about your metering and your modeling lights for an alien bee or a white lightning or anything like that, then you need to come in here and specify it, and then it'll show up in the group properly. So 1, 2, 3, back to here, and then they'll show up. If they're not a policy buff light, all you're going to do is get a little green indicator that there's a channel there, there's a light on it, but you don't have any way that you can go ahead and set those up to be, say anything about them. It's going to be other or none for a name, and then you'll be able to go in there and it'll fire, but it won't be able to be controlled. So that is the Spec Lights.